Welcome to Oak Island, and I'm Cris Young on the air. I'm constantly asked, what's new technologically? You know, your system can be running fine, but you might not know that it's costing you twice, 3 times what it takes to run. You think it's being an old friend. He's really laughing at you because you're letting him live. You're letting him take 2 and 3 times the electricity from you. The cost of electricity is crazy nowadays. Right down inside of here is what we call a PSC motor. That's a fancy term for a permanently split capacitor motor. That's using 5, 6, 7 times the electricity of the new variable speed motors. And the new variable speed motors also enable you to recirculate all the air in your house using the same energy of less than a 100-watt light bulb. So, this old friend, if he's still around after 15 to 20 years, not really an old friend. You need to put a system in there that you can run and not worry about what it costs.
You can call Oak Island.